The first ever African cyclist to don the maillot pois et blanc, and I have to say, Paul, it's been his boyhood dream.
For me, it's a life, you know. I really like to ride a bike. When I was young, even we are watching Tour de France every winter. We're really excited to see how Tour de France is going. We really know all the riders to become professional from Africa, especially from the other countries, is really a bit difficult. Everything is possible if you dream it. When I did the Champs-Élysées and the last stage, it's like, you know, when some riders are talking, when we are seeing the TV 2000, especially from 2000 and 2005-06. When I was in the podium, the tour is different for me, exactly. I can't believe it because it's one of the great moments for me in my life. Back home, it's really welcome home. From all of the country until the present, they are waiting the straight. It's unreal for me last year. To beat like this great team is really unreal for us. Like our home, because it's an African team. It's really historical race for us in Tour de France, especially this year, to win like this stage with these guys. But I lost my father this year, so it's a difficult moment for me after half of the season because he was one of the only give me pressure to get everything. But I promise to work hard again for myself for the next seasons. I'm Teklehaimanot from Team Dimension Data for Quebec.